Hold on. I don't know what it is.
Yay!
What did you get? What did you get from Auntie Jenny? What is that?
Big jammies.
You got pajamas? Oh my gosh, Aubrey.
Here.
Look, you got the little pajamas too. It's for your Piper doll. You got a card? Open it up. What's it say?
I'll open it.
She got matching pajamas for a baby
For
doll?
her and her baby doll. How cute is that?
That's awesome.
That is awesome. I love it. It is so cute.
I don't know if you knew, but this Aunt Jenny is kind of a bomb.
She kind of is.
Well,
What's it say? Is this Valentine's Day? It says, as magical as a fairy, as bright as any star, as pretty as a Valentine. Sweetie, that's what you are. Happy Valentine's Day. Love Uncle Courtney, Aunt Jenny, Erica, and Miranda. What do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Jenny. I love you. Now my mom gives
So
it
you're
to
videotaping
Piper
that?
now.
Okay, let's go put it on Piper.
Well, I was gonna.